Eastern Cape Judge President Selby Mbenenge took a deep dive into the WhatsApp conversations between himself and Junior Court Secretary Andiswa Mengo. He admits they were salacious, with Mengo even referring to him in his clan name, Jola, which he interprets as showing endearment. He contends that the only time that Mengo rebuffed his advances is when he asked to be intimate with her, after the junior secretary invited him for a face-to-face meeting in East London.
At page 1210, at 2236, H-A-Y-I, she says, hi. In other words, you reckon we can be intimate this week? Then the answer is no.
What did you understand by that no? Because now we know, you say it's a no.
Within the context of what was happening, I understood it plainly to mean that no, let us not be intimate on this occasion. Let's just meet face to face.
Going through the sexually charged conversations, Mbenenge says he then sent her a message saying he would have given her this, a peeled banana emoji.
Would you agree?
What if someone said you were showing the peeled banana refers to a circumcised male private part? What would you say?
I would have had to study a degree in these things to understand that.
Okay.
I heard that for the first time when Dr. Docrat was testifying, I think. Peeled banana means circumcised, so this and that.
Yes.
I don't know those things.
Okay.
But as I say, I was simply saying, when we meet, I was just going to share something nice with you. I mean, in the context of two people eating from the same plate, as a matter of example, I could have sent a chocolate to say, I was going to give you this. I could have shown her anything that is nice or enjoyable. But clearly, it has got nothing to do with any, at least from my side. She laughs at that at 22:45. And then I ask her, what were you going to give to me?
In a seemingly combative cross-examination, Mbenenge defended his advances on Mengo, saying nothing precludes him from having what he says is a consensual relationship with the junior secretary.
Do you say that there's nothing regulating your conduct as a judicial officer?
There is.
And does that not also have an effect on sexual relationships at your office, at your workplace?
We don't have a sexual harassment policy, particularly.
Skeepers put to him that it cannot be true that he wanted a romantic relationship with Mengo when he was already married. She said his advances were merely to explore sexual relations with the complainant. But Mbenenge says his marital status is irrelevant to these proceedings. Cross-examination continues on Wednesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi in Sandton, Johannesburg.